Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking development in the gig economy. A new type of side hustle has emerged, and it's all about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. The AI we're talking about is ChatGPT, a bot developed by OpenAI. With more than 100 million users since its November 2022 launch, ChatGPT is proving its versatility and utility in tasks like writing emails, answering queries, and even crafting resumes. This popularity has led to a boom in demand for what's being termed as AI content assistants. Employers are eager for professionals who can leverage ChatGPT to generate content like blog posts, LinkedIn updates, and social media captions. So, what does an AI content assistant do? They take audio from company events, transcribe it using services like Rev or Otter.ai, and feed it into ChatGPT to create valuable content. They could turn a talk into a blog article or a list of tips, proofreading the final output to ensure quality. The best part? It's easy to learn. According to Angelique Ruers from Bold House, you can get a handle on this in just a week. It's about mastering the transcription services, learning to use ChatGPT, and understanding the best prompts to use. The potential earnings? They're impressive. AI content assistants can charge anywhere from $20 to a whopping $100 per hour. And where can you offer your services? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn are a good start. So there you have it. The future of side hustles might just be in AI, and more specifically, in becoming an AI content assistant. As Ruers put it, this isn't a fleeting trend, it's here to stay. So why not get ahead of the curve and start harnessing the power of AI for content creation? The article outlines a rising trend in the gig economy, working as an AI content assistant using generative AI models such as ChatGPT. In a nutshell, here are the key points. Growing popularity of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a generative AI bot developed by OpenAI, has gained immense popularity since its release, accumulating over 100 million users. It's being used to perform various tasks like answering questions, creating emails and essays, summarizing text, and even writing resumes. Many companies are using this tool to generate their content. Increasing demand for AI content assistants. There's a growing demand for freelancers who can utilize ChatGPT to create content, which includes LinkedIn posts, blog posts, podcast show notes, and social media posts. Margaret Lilani, Vice President of Talent Solutions at Upwork, sees a high demand for this category of work. What does an AI content assistant do? The assistant takes the audio from company events, inputs it into a transcription service like Rev or Otter.ai, then uses the transcribed text as input to ChatGPT to create the needed content. The process might involve taking a transcription, inputting it into ChatGPT, giving a prompt, for example, turn this into a 700-word blog article with 5 tips, and proofreading the generated content. Learning the hustle. According to Angelique Ruers, founder of Bold House, it takes about a week to ramp up and learn how the transcription services and ChatGPT work. The system is described as very intuitive. Earning potential. AI content assistants can charge anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour for their services. They can offer their services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and list this skill on their LinkedIn profile. Future of the side hustle. Ruers foresees that AI content assisting won't fade away. She believes that using AI and helping business owners to use AI will become the biggest new side hustle. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more exciting insights on the evolving world of work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.